Hey, it's Neha. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making a simple vanilla loaf. I love vanilla loaves because it is the most simplest thing that I can make. And also I love having that just handy in the house whenever you want something to snack on. It's super moist, it's super delicious. So let's get started. What I have here is 1 cup and 3/4 of flour. I have a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, this one is a half a teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs slightly beaten, 3/4 of milk. I have 3/4 of butter and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. So let's get our dry ingredients first. Let's put that in our bowl. Okay, so the flour goes in, the sugar. Let me put this in here. Start mixing it slowly. Okay, and then the baking powder. Salt. So we'll let this mix a little bit and then we'll add the wet ingredients. So while this is going, let's put in our milk. Okay, look at that. And then let's put in our eggs. Okay. So you want to keep it going. So let's increase this a little bit. And then the butter. And I like using melted butter just because then it's a little easier when it's mixing in there. If it's still butter from the fridge, and then it just gets stuck to the batter. And then the vanilla. Perfect. So if you can see here, going. Oh, I love this thing. Alright, so once this is done, let's remove this. And then I'll bring up my pan and my pan. So you want the oven at 300 Celsius, and we will be putting that in the oven for about an hour and 5 to 10 minutes. So let's put in our pan, and you can always grease this up with butter as well. Oh. Perfect. And then let's take our, let me just put this in the sink first. We don't want a mess in here. And let's dump this in here. Ah, that's beautiful. I can't wait to eat this. So, and then we'll stick this in the oven here. We don't want to be missing on all of this dough. So let me just scratch it in here. Perfect. Okay. Right here again, 300 Fahrenheit. Sorry, 300 Fahrenheit. I know I said Celsius earlier, but it's Fahrenheit. And then for about an hour and 5 to 10 minutes again. So you want a golden color on top. So an hour and 10 minutes later, Let's check this out. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Okay, so what I like to do is take a toothpick. Let's insert that in there. Came out clean. Clean. Oh, that's when you know it is perfect. So this is how I make my vanilla loaf, and it's so delicious. It's so moist, and try it out and let me know what you think.